Coders. How are you? I think you all are doing a great coding. So in today's video, I am going to show that how to detect that a number is odd or even using Python coding. So before starting the video, I have an announcement that if you all need videos with my real voiceover, then I will make videos with my voiceover from next video. So if you are new to the channel, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. So let's start the video.
So first of all, we have to take a variable. Here I'm taking x equal to int. Open a bracket, input, again open a bracket and quotation mark and write. Enter the number and close the quotation mark and bracket. Then write, if, open bracket, x percentage sign 2. Double equal to 0, close bracket. Then print, this number is an even number. Else print, the number is an odd number. And then check the coding carefully. Then, let's run the program. Here, you have to enter a number. Here, I have entered 5. And here is the result. Let's run the program again. And let's enter 85. And hear the result.
So here is the full Python coding to detect the numbers odd or even. So if you have learned something from this video, please click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. If you are new to the channel, also share it with your friends. So that's it for today's video. Let's meet on the next one. Till then, bye bye.